Hello, my name is Teacher Rama. Today we have speak and test. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ting.
How old are you?
Um, I'm
How old are you?
third,
13.
13 year.
And where do you live?
Uh,
Where do you live?
I live in Kansai.
In Halong City. Do you live in Halong City?
Yes.
All right. And who do you live with?
Huh?
Who do you live with? Do you live with your family?
Yes.
Okay. What is your hobby? What's your hobby? Do you like playing sports?
Lines.
Okay, now let's move to the next part. In this part, we have two topics. The first one is my favorite film. The second is my dream house. Which one you want to talk about?
Favorite thing.
Okay, you can have some time to think about these questions and then we will talk. Okay? Okay, we can start talking. Yes, what's the name of your favorite film? What's the name of the film? Is
Is Doraemon.
okay, it's a Vietnamese film. All right. And what type of film is it? What type of film is it? Is it comedy? Is it action?
Comedy.
All right. How many times have you watched this film? How many times? Have you watched it one time or more than one time? 3, 2 times?
2 10.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
What is